Once upon a time, the puppy family began their playful day. As the sun begins to rise, Daddy Puppy wakes up for a hard-working day. As he gets ready to leave, his daughter hugs him with love. Each morning, Daddy Puppy goes to work. Daddy Puppy looks at the sky, ready for a day of hard work. He works hard, drilling carefully to build a strong foundation. He works with focus, sparks flying as he builds for his family. He opens his lunchbox with excitement and enjoys his meal. Daddy Puppy hammers carefully, working hard to finish the job. Daddy Puppy walks home after finishing his work. Daddy Puppy is welcomed home from a warm hug from his wife and daughter. He sleeps peacefully after a long day of work. Daddy Puppy wakes up and gets ready for another day of work. He walks to the construction site, ready to help his family again. Daddy Puppy carefully checks the construction plans. Daddy Puppy happily receives his hard-earned salary. He pays for the tickets and the family gets their popcorn. Family movie time made everyone smile. Daddy works hard so his family can smile. Always respect your parents.